Like it?
Yeah, I love it. Wow, look at the wheels.
Hello and welcome back to the channel, where this week we are at one of Europe's biggest car shows. We're here in Essen, a show that gets over 300,000 visitors and goes on for 10 days. And not only that, we've got a lot going on ourselves, because you see, a car under the cover, that means only one thing. We've got a new car reveal, brand new project for Auto Finesse. It's one of our team members' cars from here in Germany, and he gave me his car and let me do my own thing with it. So we've got vinyl stuck everywhere, it's got infills everywhere, and it's just breaking off in little chunks. Skates on boys' backs, I reckon. The stress of de-wrapping. I'll come back to that. It's a work in progress. Get frustrated, leave it, go somewhere else, come back. Just holding it on?
Yeah.
Oh, right then. Oh, is it a spinning head? Good fun, that, isn't it? Come here. Swap.
Come.
Come on, baby. We'll get a flathead behind it. He doesn't know what this looks like. I told him it was going to be white and pink. It is not white and pink. You will find out later what colour it is and see his reaction when we show him that. But for now, we've got a whole stand to build up, and then I'm going to take you around all this lot and show you all the amazing cars that are here. Let's get into it. So stand's all set up, Benny's here, been stressing me out to see his car, so we're going to do an early reveal. Look at him.
I'm really shaking. Oh, I'm so excited. Cannot sleep all day. Oh my God, I'm writing the code. Oh my God, did you see something? Oh.
I might have told him it was pink. Are you ready?
I love it. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't see it. I'm crying. Literally, it's crying. What? Woo! What a nice car.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Wow. at the wheels.
They're your old wheels, but better.
I bet it's good. Oh, I'm getting old.
Don't start crying, you big girl.
I love it. I'm wow,
Look.
look at it. Oh,
Yeah, the fuser's fixed.
so good. Thank you, big boss. Oh my God.
Benny likes the gold, so we've kept some gold, gone with green, white. Was hoping to sort him out fresh wheels. I'm not going to lie, I was trying my best, but
Good vibes only.
you like the good vibes only. Polished rotor forms, same wheels that are on there before, just freshened up. We've gone through, fixed all of the body kit, because that guy cannot drive that well at all, and he'd smash the absolute crap out of this car. Overall, selected this green Anosatec material because the colour is unreal. Now it actually represents the brand he works for. Benny works for us here in Germany, goes around with his car to a lot of events for us. Before, it just weren't really what we're about. It was a little bit scruffy, a little bit tired. So now I'm going to have to teach him how to clean his own car because he's so bad at it. But yeah.
In Japan, they're going crazy.
Going crazy.
My mind is blown away. It's so good. It's so. I'm speechless. Do I say that it's right? My English is not the yellow from the egg, but I'm speechless. It's wow, amazing. Love it. And look at the glass. What glass is
Don't
this?
rub your hands up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Right,
But
stand away. Look, just look at it from a distance.
oh,
No
very
hands.
glossy, shiny. You see it, Karen?
Right, so stands all set up. Now, before everyone gets in here, I'm going to take a little walk around, show you some of the cars in here. Now, bear in mind, you can see that whole hall behind me. Well, that is just one of 5, 6 halls, maybe more. This show is absolutely huge. But what we're standing in right now is, in my opinion, the best hall in the whole show. This is the tuning experience, and it is filled with stuff like this carbon fibre GTR. You got the wide body Porsche, you got the Bag R8, you got the Z, you got so many cool cars all in one hall. Our friend called Sven, he handpicks every single car from Europe, and the nice thing about this show is they try and select different cars each year, so it's not all the same. So it's completely different each year you come. I mean, that is a very bright Focus. Not my cup of tea, but definitely stands out. Got a stunning 964 there, and then you got stuff like this 46. Actually, yeah, I really rate that. So I'm going to give you a little look around now. Not all the cars are here yet, but a lot of them are in place. I'm going to show you some of the cars this show has to offer. Out of all the cars here, I think I've found my favourite. Have a look at that Mini. VTEC in the back, and it is ridiculously clean. Inside, absolutely ridiculous. This car is a whole nother level of build. But everywhere I go, he's following.
Yeah, of course.
Hello.
and behind the scenes, everything for the memories, you know?
What is it, behind the scenes and...
Yeah, behind the screens. Yeah. Backshot. Oh, no, not backshot. Oh, no.
Not backshots, Benny, that's something different, mate.
Okay.
Porsche wheels on a Ferrari, it is different. I'm not sure how I feel about it. They look good though. I thought they were rivals, but collaboration is the future, right?
Yeah.
OG UK car, that is. Look at the interior. Oh God, do you want some engine with your bus? Here they are, the boys, and you got Jommy's new look for his RX-7. Oh, and look. And so it is day one of the public event. Yesterday was the preview day. It was pretty good. There was quite a lot of people, but today is where it really gets hectic. We've got a stand set up, we've got the car in place, loads of people have been taking pictures of it. So now all we've got to do is get in there, give that a wipe down, give the stand the final little touches so it looks all fresh and nice, and then we'll see what the day has to offer. We're going to also take you around, show you some of the cars before it gets super busy as well. What are you doing today? Eating tea?
No. I'm drinking tea. Chamomile tea or peppermint, what do you think? What do you prefer? Black tea, yeah. English breakfast, yeah, with milk.
Marketing.
So that is a wrap on our last show for 2025. The last 10 days have been amazing. Loads of people come over, see us, see the new look GTR, bought products. It's been outstanding. We are all shattered. 10 days really does take its toll on you. All that is left for us to do now is get these final bits back in the Airstream, make our way back to the UK, where we have one more tiny event. We have our Christmas cars and coffee, and then that is it for the whole season. Until January, when we come back and we do it all again. If you stopped by at the show, saw us, thank you very, very much. Or if you're somebody that came out and supported at any of the shows throughout the year, we really, really appreciate it. It means the world to me and the team here at Auto Finesse that you all come out and support us so heavily. It's been an amazing year for us. Next year, we've got even bigger and better things coming. We're coming to new countries, new shows that we've never been to before, and we have some really exciting stuff going on even further afield outside of Europe. So if you've enjoyed this video, watched it to the end, drop us a comment. You've got any questions or anything on what we do or where you might see us next year, feel free to ask, or if you've got any suggestions of where we should go, we're always open to your ideas. For now, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.